Alright, Barcott, real quick. I'm going to try to go over Quantum Newswire press releases. So essentially what you're going to do is you're going to log in here, you're going to go to press releases, you're going to filter by the company you're going to want to do it with. I'm going to do Garden State Home Remodeling right now because I can. Looks like we already have 3 press releases that we've already done. So there should be 3 press releases in the media room if we set it up correctly, which I'm pretty sure I did. But notice that even though there's 3 press releases in the media room, we have 6 blogs, which means there's 3 more opportunities to do press releases of their blog content. Because right now we're just taking the blog content and repurposing it as press releases. So I might want to open a new tab and then open up one with media room, because I don't want to be doing the same press releases. So biggest mistake, July 23rd, July 23rd. Home renovations, home make. Alright, roof repair tips. Let's do that one. Doesn't look like that one's been used as a press release. So, pretty much you're just going to copy and paste the content. Quantum Newswire, so you're going to go create from scratch. Garden State Home should auto-populate. You're going to want to select all of these. There's a select all button, but I guess not. Garden State Home Remodeling and Roofing. Bam. What in the world? Why is it not? Oh, there it is. It's good. Copy the CID. Should work. Alright. Headline. So the real headline is roof repair tips, huh? So try best as possible to make the headline sound like a press release. So like top, instead of just roof repair tips, it could be like top tips every homeowner. Oh yeah, we should probably capitalize them as well. Every New Jersey homeowner needs to know before installing, repairing the roof. You know, it doesn't have to sound like clickbait. It probably shouldn't always sound like clickbait. But if it's able to sound kind of like a news something, that'd be good. Blog. Okay, so blog headline will be tips for roof repairs. Roof. You kind of just want to like reword this thing for the blog headline, and I can't even tell what the blog headline is on this. Roof repair tips, that's all it is, huh? Little name headline. Hey, that sounds good. Roof repair, why quality matters. That's not another one, is it? Nope. And how to choose the right company. That's not true. Does it talk about choosing the right company? Oh, yep, it does. Okay, we're good. Google document link, there's no document link. Then you're going to be copying and pasting this whole thing, including the photos, except for without the leave a reply part. We don't need that. Okay. Quick edit. You can read through it, make sure it all makes sense if you have time. You also want to add in more anchor texts, especially right now because there's only one. Are you kidding me? There's only one link? Who wrote this? Maybe it was Deb when he was trying to rush through. You definitely want to be adding more links to blogs usually. And this one as well. So I'm going to copy the CID and I'm going to link the CID to the repair New Jersey keyword as the anchor. If you find other ways, other areas to add in photos, maybe right here. Oops. Let's add in another photo. So I'm going to go to the GMB, find a semi-relevant photo to roof repair, roofing contractors. This looks pretty good. I think that's how you do it. It's honestly been a little while since I've dealt with press releases. So, roof repair, New Jersey. Should we center it? Is the other one centered? The other one is centered. Let's center that then. And then that is now linking to the GMB post. So that's good. So it should show us. Oh, it's only showing 2. Huh. It should be linking to it. I thought it would. Okay, I guess you gotta add it still. Jersey. Now we got 3. Alright. Pretty much the whole purpose of these is to build links to the GMB and to build power to the website. We'll be adding a couple more links as we go on. One of the tips he says is to link to the previous press releases. I have never done that, and I'm not sure where you would leave that link, but we're going to try it. We're going to just add that link to the bottom. Say, check out our other publications. Maybe that is good enough, hopefully. So, anchor tags. I usually want to have one do follow to the GMB and one do follow to the website. At least one do follow to the website. You don't always have to do follow to the GMB. Right now it's red because of the update. They currently have a, they're doing like an update with Google, and so they're just warning you to not do too many do follow links. So a summary. You can write this with Conversion AI, or you can just make it up. From the looks of this, so you just want to summarize it all. Repairing or replacing your roof can be a very stressful venture. It is one of the larger investments that most homeowners will face. However, it doesn't need to be if you follow our guide on how to repair or replace your roof properly, you will find the experience to be a much smoother and productive, pleasant, why not? Pleasant process. Okay, so at most 45 words, so I'm a little over, I guess. Still too long? Shoot. $47, I'm 2 words over. Alright, oops, I did Control X. Let's do it, just that. It wants it to be a little longer, but whatever. Maybe the blog summary can be longer. Learn the best tactics and practices for choosing a roofing contractor and learning the ins and outs of roof repair and replacements. Bam. Alright. Recommended length. How many characters is this? Oops. 256 characters. So it's still saying this is a little too long. But it's not that long. It's only like 40 characters over, so it should be fine. So make sure everything else is checked that we want it to be checked. We got 2 images in there. Should look good. Looks good to me. Alright, next thing. You're going to want to upload some photos. So Garden State Home Remodeling. I don't have many images on that one. Yep. So I can save this here. And name it as a keyword, of course. Roof repair guide or whatever. Also, we have a lot of photos on the actual profile of each of the clients. If you look here, there's always lots and lots of photos you can choose from. Just choose a couple relevant ones. Just adding at least one is necessary. You can add more if you like. You'll click main channel. Don't need to click this. Category. You can either click business or you can click, I think there's a home one. Let's see. Really pass it. Land and property, that works. Just do that as soon as possible. Usually just do it in the morning or afternoon. Display original source. Manually inserted. And then you're going to link to the actual blog post. Pass some power there as well. Although it's no follow, but it's okay. Click here. Should cost 10 total. Do one last review. Make sure it doesn't look stupid. Looks good. It's got the GMB. It's got the links to the social profiles. Publish PR. And bam, it'll say pending. And that's it.